Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation. S plus y is equal to 10, sy is equal to 80. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. S plus y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 80. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, we have xy is equal to 80. We can now substitute for y. This is s bracket 10 minus s is equal to 80. Now s multiplied by 10, this is 10 s minus s multiplied by x, s square is equal to 80. Now we have minus s square plus 10x minus 80 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then minus s squared divided by minus 1. This is s squared plus 10s divided by minus 1. This is minus 10x. Then minus 80 divided by minus 1. This is plus 80 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 80. S is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 80 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 80, that is 320, over 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 320, that is 220, minus 220 over 2. And this is the same thing as 10 plus or minus square root of minus 220 can be written as 220 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. And this is, we have s is equal to 10 plus or minus, the whole of this can be written as square root of 55 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, square root of minus 1 is I, then root 55 over 2. This is same thing as 5 plus or minus I root 55. If you divide this, 2 here 1, 2 here 5, 2 here 1. Therefore, S1 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 55, and S2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 55. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of x. Let us solve for y. From equation 3, y is equal to 10 minus x. Then y1 is equal to 10 minus s1 is 5 plus I square root of 55. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus I square root of 55. Y1 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 55. Also, y2 is equal to 10 minus s2 is 5 minus I square root of 55. Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus I square root of 55. Y2 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 55. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1. This is equal to 5 plus I square root of 55, 5 minus I square root of 55. S2, Y2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 55, 5 plus I square root of 55. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 10, sy is equal to 80. Now, let's consider this using either s1, y1 or s2, y2. We have s plus y. This is 5 plus I root 55 plus 5 minus I root 55 must be equal to 10. This cancel this. 5 plus 5, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. Now let's consider this. We have 5 plus I root 55 multiplied by 5 minus I root 55 must be equal to 80. Then if you multiply this very well, we have 5 times 5, that is 25, minus I square multiplied by root 55 square must be equal to 80. Then square root of I square is equal to minus 1. Then we have 25 plus this cancel this. We have 55 must be equal to 80. And of course, 25 plus 55, this is 80, is equal to 80, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.